Hello students, I am Deepak sir, and today we have to study standard 5th math chapter 2nd shapes and angles. At last period we completed up to page number 19. Okay, and I can told you to find the answer for that puzzle, mathematic puzzles. Okay, so we can check answers. First puzzle I can read. Make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks. How to do this? See, I will draw here 6 matchsticks and forms 8 triangles. Okay, see, this is one matchstick, this is second matchstick, and this is third. Okay, 3 matchsticks are over. Then 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4, 5 and 6. Okay, see, once again I can count matchsticks. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 matchsticks are there. So here how many triangles are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay, these are 6. Okay, and see this. These are 6 and this one big one 6. This is 7th one. This is 7th one, and last one 8. See this big one. This is the 8th one. These are 8 triangles in that figure. Okay, by using 6 matchsticks. Okay, that is the first answer. Second answer, take 8 matchsticks and make a fish like this. Now pick up any 3 matchsticks and put them in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in opposite direction. Okay, first of all I can draw that fish. Here how many matchsticks are there? Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 matchsticks are there. Okay, and in that 8 matchsticks we can move only 3. In that 8 we can move only 3. Which 3? See this. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 we can move. On which place? See, these 3 I can rub. See, this 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can rub here. Okay, over these 3 matchsticks we can draw on another place. Okay, see, this is 1. Okay, see, this is 2, and this is last one 3. See, this fish is swimming in opposite direction. How many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In first time, we will draw like this. See, in first time we will draw like this. This is upward direction. That is swimming in upward direction, and this fish is in downward direction, swimming in downward direction. All of you understood? Which 3 matchsticks we can move? Once again I can show you here. This is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, where we have to put this? This is here first we can, this is 1, this is 2 and this 3. Here these 3 we can move here. Okay, so that fish moves swimming in opposite direction. Okay, last one, using 10 matchsticks make this shape. Pick up 5 matchsticks and put them in such a way that you get the shape of halves. See, I will draw here that shape. See, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9 and this is 10. These are 10 mastics. Okay. In that 10 mastics, which mastics we can move? In that 10 mastics, which mastics we can move? See, I can show you here. I will write their names. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay? See, I will draw here that. This is they can use us this shape. Okay, in that first one, this one. Okay, I can draw this part. So see, I can draw this part. Okay, and how to draw this? See, like that you can draw this one. All of you understood? We can draw this and we will draw like this. Okay, this is first one. Second one, this one. This one I will draw here, and I will draw this one here. I will draw here. Okay. Then third one, upside. I will draw this, and I will draw this here. Okay. And fourth one. This is last one. Okay. This last one. See this. This one. I will draw that. Otherwise, now you can draw this, and you can draw here. So, in that 5 or 4, minimum 4 matches when we have to move, that shapes look like house. That shapes is look like a house. All of you understood these answers? Okay. Open next page. Page number 20, I can read, listen carefully. Angle tester. Angle tester. Here I can read, listen. How do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. Okay? You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called divider. You know, okay, like this in your compass box. Okay, this is called compass. Why? Here there is one metal pointer, and here we can place pencil. Okay, and there is another one that have two metal pointers. That is called divider. Okay, this is compass, but the another one that have two metal pointers, that is called divider. Okay, and that is also called as angle tester. That is also called as angle tester. Okay, you can do this activity. This is a small activity. I can tell you can do in your home with the help of your parents. Cut two strips from the card sheet board. They can show here. Like that you can cut two strips. Okay, fix them with a drawing pin such that both the strips can move around easily. Yes, consider these are two strips. This is one strip and this is two strips. Okay, these two strips you can fix by using one pin. These two strips you can fix by using one pin. Why? Because for that two strips can move easily. That two strips can move easily. For that you can place here that pin. Okay, and you can do that angle tester. Next, Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. Rohini tested the angle of the maths book and the pencil box. Look at the tester. it has opened like a little letter L. The angle tester is look like angle a letter L. This is looking like letter L, alphabet. Okay, this is looking like a letter L, and that L is called right angle. This is a right angle. We write it as L. L means right angle. Okay. L, the shape. At last when we discussed this point, right angles. Okay. I will show you here. The right angle is looking like a shape L. Okay. This is L. Okay. And when we have to find this angle, that is right angle is 90 degree. Okay. Next, page number 21. You can solve this. I can tell you how to solve, and you can solve. That is very easy. Go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester open like the letter L. Are you sure they are all right angles? See, in your home many different things are there, and you can take your that angle tester, okay, and find right angles. Find right angles means anything. For example, this blackboard, okay, where we have to see this corner, that is L shape. See, that is L shape. Okay, so that is called 90 degree, means right angle. This is a right angle. So you can write the name of blackboard. Like that things you can find in your home and write down or draw here. Okay. Practice time. Look at the angles in the picture and fill the table. Okay, here they can give us 4 columns. In that first column they can show you some pictures. In that second they can give us right angle. Third one more than right angle, and in fourth less than right angle. Please see this angle. In that first picture you can see angles. Okay, and that angle you can tick only that is right angle, otherwise that is more than right angle, otherwise that is less than right angle. Okay, which one is correct? Then you can tick that. Okay, so see first one, that is a scissor. Okay, in that scissor they can show here angle, and that angle is small, so that is less than right angle. So they can tick here first in that last column. Okay, so see that second, the hand. In that hand there is an angle, that is less right angle, more than right angle, or less than right angle. Okay, you can solve that. That is very easy. Okay, so that is right angle. So also see this kite. In that kite there is an angle. Okay, so you can pick, you can solve. Okay, so next you also solve, you complete that table. Okay, that is very easy. They can show that angle by using red color. Okay, see that angle and tick in correct column. Okay, so next page. Second page, page number 22. Listen. Supan made this picture with so many angles. See, in that picture, at anything or any object, there is a different angles. Different angles are there. So, by using this, use color pencil to mark right angles with black color, angles which are more than right angle with green, more than means obtuse angle, that you can color with green, and angles which are less than right angle you can color by using blue pen or blue crayons. All of you understood how to solve this? In that picture you can take crayons, color crayons. Which color? Black color, green color and blue color. Okay? Then when you have to use black color, when that angle is right angle, then you can use black color. Okay? Then when you have to use green color, when the angle is more than right angle, means obtuse angle, then you can use green color. Okay? And last one you can use blue color. When that angle is less than right angle, then you can use blue color. All of you understood this? Okay, that is very simple. You can do this. Okay. And third question, last question, that is also very easy. I can read. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write what kind of angles it is. The first one is done. Here they can show the mouth of crocodile. Okay, and the angle they can show here by using that mark. Okay, and that is less than right angle. You know that angle is small, so that is less than right angle. So tell me the second one. See this. This is like a L shape. That is like a L shape. So that is called right angle. Like that you can solve all the examples. All of you understood? Here only you can write that is less than right angle or more than right angle or right angle. In that three you can choose correct one and write that. All of you understood this? Page number 20, 21 and 22. Okay. Any problem related to this question answer, so you can call me. Okay. Thank you, students. Hello students, I am Deepak sir, and today we have to study standard 5th math chapter 2nd, shapes and angles. At last day we discussed up to page number 22. Okay. So today we can start page number 23. So open page number 23. I can read, listen carefully. Okay. There is a one small activity they can use us. Very simple activity is there. So you can do this activity in your home by using card sheet paper. Okay, I can read this activity. Okay, see, take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half. I can show you afterwards. First of all, I can read or then I can show you. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it in half. First you can fold that. Then see, fold it once and press it. Then once again you can fold that and press it for all the corners. Open the last fold so that the sheet of folded is half. Take one of the corner and fold it to meet the dotted lines. On the paper you will find lines making the right angle and angle less than right angle and angles more than right angles. Look for each of the angles and mark them with different colors. See, here there is one small paper, that is not a card sheet paper, this is a paper, your notebook paper. Okay. First you can take this paper, you can fold like this, you can fold like this. Okay. First I can fold it half. Okay. Then once again you can fold like this. Okay. Then again that look like a square. Two times I can fold that. Once again I can show you. This is your paper. You can fold first like this. Okay. Then you will get this half part. Then this half part you can fold once again. Then you will get this small part. That is 1/4. We can call this as 1/4. Okay. And what we do? Once again we can open this. Once again we can open this part. See, okay, this is a half part, and what we do here, this upper half part we can fold. They can show in that figure. You can fold like this. You can fold like this. What we do? We can fold this half part. See, that is a half part. Okay, in this card sheet paper, that is a half part. I can fold so that look like this. Okay. Then what we do? You can press all the corners. You can press all the corners, and then last you can open this. You can open this. Then what happen? Here many angles are made in that card sheet paper. Okay, I can show you. See, when you have to fold that, then I will draw a line. When you have to fold that, I will draw that lines. Okay. So this line here, the angles are made. See, you can see this angle, that is look like L shape. That is right angle. Here also that is right angle. Okay, many shapes are there. I can show you on the blackboard. Like that you can show on this card sheet paper. Okay. So how many angles are there? Many angles are there in that card sheet paper or paper. Okay. I can show you. See, this is a right angle. Why? Because this look like L. This is also a right angle. Why? Because that is also look like L. Okay. See this angle. This is a small angle as compared to this right angle. So that is less than right angle. That is less than right angle. See this angle. This big angle. I can draw once again. See this angle, big angle. That is also a right angle. And which is more than a right angle? I will show you. See this angle. I can dark that. See this angle, these two lines. This angle means this one. This angle is called more than right angle. Okay, that is do not look like L. Okay, so that is more than right angle. Okay, also in that figure many angles are there. So you can find that, and you can use color crayons, and by using different color you can draw that. Okay, all of you understood how to do this activity? Okay, second activity, that is you can do in your home. Okay, that is simple activity. Angles with your body. You can use your body parts and you can do this activity. Okay, can you make these angles by using your body parts? First, a right angle with your hand. By use your hand and make right angle. See this, I will do like this, and here that is look like L, that is look like L, so that is right angle. Like that you can use your body parts. An angle less than a right angle with your leg. Use your leg and show less than right angle. Show less than right angle. Okay, also an angle more than right angle with your arm. You can use your arms and show more than right angles. More than right angles. Next, an angle more than right angle with your body. You can use your body, okay, and show more than right angle. Try them out. It's fun. Draw them in your notebook using sticks drawing like this. Here they can show. Here they can show some pictures. Like that you can draw in your book also, in your notebook also. Okay. All of you understood how to do this? Next page. Open page number 24. Angle garden. Angle garden. This is a small. They can use this as a small information. See, an angle down show the way. When I see flowers for making honey, I want to take the other bees. To show them the way, I start dancing. My dance show the angles between the sun and the flower. Here, by using red line, by using red dotted line, they can show an angle. They can show an angle. That angle is in between sun. This is sun and this is bee. Okay? They can show here angle. Okay? Also they can give us one other activity here. Collect some leaves. You can collect different leaves in your garden. Otherwise, nearest any trees. Okay? You can collect different types of leaves from the garden. Color each leaf and print it. What we do? We can color that leaf and then we can print on the paper. You know how to print that on paper. Okay? You can print that leaf on paper. Okay? And what is next? Look at the angles on the leaves. Here they can show some printed leaves. Okay? And see in that which angle is made. In that printed leaves, which angle is made. You can write there. Okay? All of you understood? Which of them are more or less than right angle? See in that leaves, straight, and right there which is more than right angle and which is less than right angle. And you find any right angle, also you can write there. All of you understood this? Okay, see next. I am a woodpecker. My beak is sharp. My beak is sharp because it has to cut the wood. Hey, look at the bird. Its beak has an angle less than right angle. See on the tree they can show some birds. Okay, and in that some birds are woodpecker. Okay, and the beak is very sharp. Okay, and by using that sharp they can cut that wood. They can cut that wood. Okay, and when girls that see that bird, they can say it beak has an angle less than right angle. See in that see this bird. Okay, for that beak that angle is less than right angle. That angle is less than right angle. Okay, on this picture they can give us two question answers. And we can stop, then we can stop. First question, look for the bird which have beaks with small angles. See in that picture, observe that picture and write which birds are smaller angles. Which birds beak have smaller angles. Okay. Also in second question, in the picture mark angles between the two branches. See that trees and their branches. Which two branches have the biggest angle? Which two branches have biggest? Means largest angle or greatest angle. Okay. You can solve these question answers and also do all the activities I can told you today. Okay. That is your homework, and today we have to stop here. Thank you, students.